Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I am not only showing you how to make these super cute glam jars, I am showing you Dollar Tree little stuffers to put inside of them, or you can put inside of your stockings. So I'm really excited to show you 95% of the items that I'm showing you or using today are from Dollar Tree, so that's even more exciting. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So before I get into the DIY, I just wanted to show you an overview of some of the amazing things that they have at Dollar Tree this year that will be perfect for stocking stuffers. I'm also going to show you each item individually, just in case you can't really see right now. But I am so excited about Dollar Tree really stepping up their game this year. So stay tuned to see more items in a quick little haul. So if you're not into the glam jars, Dollar Tree has the cutest tumblers this year. I absolutely love this one. It says Merry and Bright in the iridescent color, so you can definitely substitute the glam jar out for the tumblers. Let's get into this haul and start with this faux leather bow. I absolutely love this bow. I purchased like 5 of the black. Also, I have this nice tan color. My daughter looks so cute in these bows. Like, we have like way too many bows because I make a lot of them, but I could not leave these at the store. These little petite ones are super cute when she wears like her hair like little pigtails and like little twist hairstyles. So yeah, I absolutely love their bow collection this year. And of course, I had to show you the faux leather scrunchies. Super cute. I absolutely love these. They even look like, I don't really wear them in my hair, but they look really cute on the wrist. So, you know, it's like a little fashion statement, but I absolutely love them. They are so popular this year, and now you can get them at Dollar Tree and they're super cute. I definitely had to grab these scrunchies. Why? Because in other stores they are selling them in groups of 5 for about $10 in gift sets. So I mean, come on, $1 each, and they look like they are worth so much more. So go to Dollar Tree for those. Also, for some more bowls, I picked up about 3 different colors in these for my daughter. Super cute, super glitzy. I also picked up some of the Rockstar clips. They had other pearl clips too, but I thought these were really cute. As well as in the beauty section, these are expensive. I actually saw this at Burlington for about $5, and it's at Dollar Tree. The makeup brushes, oh my gosh, super cute for a cute little teen that's trying to learn her makeup. That's like really cute, and you get like 3 little brushes for $1, as well as they had like the little manicure set that I thought was really cute. You get the filer, you get some tweezers, and you get like the toe divider. So Dollar Tree is really stepping their game up, guys. Like, these are perfect stocking stuffers. The makeup blending sponge, like, when do you ever find that at Dollar Tree for $1? Never. So yeah, Dollar Tree has been really stepping up. Everyone has been talking about the flower brand at Dollar Tree. I've never personally used it, but I did try this on my hand, and it is very pigmented. So if you're looking for a nice nude lip gloss, lipstick, or nail polish, and they definitely have that in this brand at Dollar Tree, so you may want to go and get you some. Okay, I remember wearing the hair claw clips as a child, and that just brought back so many memories. So I had to grab that, as well as I like putting little hair cuffs and beads in my daughter's hair. So these were really cute. I love the gold metallic. And guys, I think this was like one of my favorite things from Dollar Tree this year. The glitzy clips and the other snap clips. Oh my goodness. Super cute and super in only $1, because you already know you're going to see these at other stores for much more. Now this is like one of the only items that was not Dollar Tree, but I did get it from Target's Dollar Spot for $1. I love these socks. But guys, these socks are a winner. They're like sweater socks. They are the softest socks in the world. Oh my goodness, I want more, but they're always sold out. So I absolutely love these, as well as the fuzzy socks. If you know me, you guys already know I talk about my fuzzy sock collection all the time on my Instagram, and these are really nice and they make really cute gifts. And as much as this will make a cute gift for someone else, I am keeping these combs for myself. I absolutely love how I love how cute they are. So now that I showed you the items that they had at my local Dollar Tree, let's get into making this super cute glam jar that makes a perfect gift by itself. You don't even have to put anything in it, and it's a perfect gift. So let's get into the glam jars. You'll need a jar from Dollar Tree. Those are like there all the time. This is actually another item that is not from Dollar Tree, but get some crystal knobs. You can find those at Home Depot, Lowe's, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. As you can see, that's where I got mine from. So yeah, you can definitely find those anywhere. You can spray paint the top of the jar if you want to, as well, to match your knobs. And of course you have to use the E6000 glue just to make sure everything is held tight. So I'm just going to start by wiping the top of the jar off. Like I said, you can paint the jar if you want to. You can do whatever you want, but I just wanted to keep it the silver because I just felt as though that looked really nice with the crystal knobs that I purchased. So once you take out the knobs, you want to unscrew the screw from the knob so that it's a flat base. And basically this is super easy. You are going to just take your E6000 glue. You're just going to put a little bit on the top, and you are going to stick your knob down and basically let it dry for 24 hours. Of course you want to put something on top so that it, stays in place. But yeah, this is what, you're going to see me do. I'm just going to put the E6000 on there, put the knob down, and then I'm going to put something on top to hold the knob down. So I'm just taking this styrofoam box and I'm just going to place it on top of the jar so that it is secured and ready to go in about 24 to 48 hours. So whatever you have lying around the house, grab it and use it as a holding tool. This is what it'll look like once it's dried. It's actually really pretty by itself, but I'm going to go ahead and show you different ways I stuff it with some of the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So let's get into that. So for this gift set idea, I'm going to take the Flower Nude lipstick, the glitzy hair clip, 2 of the scrunchies and the super soft socks. Now there's some ways that you can just put it inside, but I was going to show you the way I put them inside of the jar. What I do is I fold the socks pretty tight, and I just fold the little flap over so that the socks stay in place. And then what I'm going to do after that, I'm going to put the scrunchies over it. I'll show you in a second. And then I'll just put those inside, and then I'll add the clip and the lipstick to the jars, and it looks really, really nice. So watch and see how I put it all together. You can see it is coming out really, really cute. And guys, this would sell in a store for no less than $15 in another store, especially because of the jar within itself. Plus you're going to add the scrunchie, socks, clips, and lipstick to it. This is definitely selling for $15 to $20 in a store, and you just made this for under $10. So yes, go and start buying some jars, add your little glam touch to it. You can put stones on it, you don't have to put a knob on there. That's just my preference. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another way and another idea to stuff the jars. I'm going to use the manicure set, the socks, and some nail polish. I also have some decorative shred that I picked up from Dollar Tree too, that is great for the jars too, because they add as little fillers. You don't need to use those, but it gives it just an extra little filling look. So as you can see, I'm only using 3 items this time, just to show you that you don't have to use 5 items to make it look nice. So I'm just going to take the fuzzy socks and I'm going to fold it up pretty tight. And after I fold that up, I'm going to put that inside of the jar. And then I'm going to add the manicure set and the nail polish to it. And you will see that you don't have to put a lot of items in it to make it look nice. It's still going to look like a high-end glam jar that you picked up from another store. So just watch and see how it turns out. So this is how it looks with just the 3 items. Look how full it looks, especially with the decorative shred inside. Oh my goodness, guys, you can take $5 and make such an amazing gift. Like I showed you, only put 3 items inside of it, plus the jar will make it 4. If you have extra knobs laying around the house, that all depends on what kind of knobs you use, but it could easily be a $5 little gift set. So guys, go save some money, go to Dollar Tree. They put out, and these are items they have all year long, so go ahead and get you some of these Dollar Tree amazing items. Okay, so this glam jar only has 2 items inside, and it still looks nice. If I personally was going to give one away, I would just add a little more shred to it, and I'll probably use a colorful shred. But 2 items, as you can see, looks so nice. So this is one of those projects you shouldn't feel bad anyway of what you can give for the holiday, but this should make you feel like really good about even giving away 2 items. You know, make it look nice, the way you package it and everything just says a lot. So these Glam Jars are really, really nice gifts. Okay, so another way that you can stuff the jars, you can take a bag of cotton balls from Dollar Tree or a bag of Q-tips and fill up the jar. You see these jars like this at various stores for about $10 and you are making it for $2. So guys, this is such a cute gift. Someone will love it. You can even do 2. You can do one with cotton balls, another with Q-tips, or with like cleansing face wipes or whatever. Give multiple jars, and they can use these jars for other things throughout their house too. So the jars within itself, like I keep saying, is a gift within itself. So go get these jars, guys. What are you waiting for? They are always usually there at Dollar Tree. This is not like a holiday thing that they have. They always have the jars, and most stores always have knobs. So this is super easy, and you have enough time to do this before Christmas. And here is another idea if you don't want to make the Glam Jars. Dollar Tree has these super cute tumblers there, and they have different ones, and I'm going to plug in that video to show you the little varieties that they have. But you can stuff these too with little gifts. You can't put as much inside of them, but I'm going to show you a way that I stuffed mine, and hopefully this will give you an idea if you want to give this as a gift as well. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to take the tumbler. I'm going to take some of the decorative shred just to give it, you know, more of a feeling on inside. And then I'm going to fold up the socks and put them inside. And I'm telling you, this makes a really, really pretty and easy gift. If you don't have time to make the Glam Jars, it's perfectly fine. You can still use the Dollar Tree tumblers for such a cute, super inexpensive gift. And this is how it looks. I'm telling you guys, this will definitely be at another store for at least $10 because number one, the tumbler by itself, and number two, you're adding some shred and some socks to it, so you know they were jacking that price up. So I would say no less than $12 at another store. So, and basically we made it for $2. Okay guys, so I want to thank you for watching today's video. Here's a little sneak peek of another way that I stuffed the jar. Like I said, this is so easy to do, super inexpensive, and the person who gets it will absolutely love this. This is totally different, like a different type of gift to give someone, and I'm so excited that you watched this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you are on a budget, it is okay. You can do so much with such a small budget, and your girl is here to help with gifts, ideas, DIYs, fashion, lifestyle. I'm here. This is mainly what my channel is about. I'm so excited for all the future videos that I have coming up for you guys. So once again, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.